Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the timeline in CapCut PC. So first up, what you need to do is to open your CapCut app on your computer. And then from here, just make sure you have a project, a clip, video, or audio, any element present in your timeline. So this one right here, we can refer to these as elements, and they're currently present in my CapCut timeline. So if you take a look at this section on the screen, you'll notice that there is this option, Zoom to Fit Timeline. And the shortcut key of this is Shift plus Z. So if you click it, it'll automatically adjust your timeline. Same goes if you press Shift plus Z, then it'll adjust the timeline for you. There's also this zoom out and zoom in bar that you can adjust for your timeline. And as a quick shortcut key, you can also hold the control button on your keyboard and then move your mouse scroll wheel up and down to adjust your CapCut timeline. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.